लंबी लंबी जुराबे पहन के स्क्वाट्स कर रहे हो तो रोशन हो तुम। हाथ में फिटबिट और प्लेट में तुंडे लेकर चल रहे हो तो रोशन हो तुम। किसी पार्टी में झूम के कैरियोके परफॉर्म कर रहे हो तो रोशन हो तुम। हर आते जाते शख्स को प्यार से हुजूर आला कह रहे हो तो रोशन हो तुम। अपनी हंसी से पूरे माहौल को रोशन कर रहे हो तो रोशन हो तुम।
चंदा है तू, मेरा सूरज है तू।
मेरे प्यारे बेटे रोशन, इट्स सच अ वंडरफुल फीलिंग टू विश यू ऑन योर 50th बर्थडे। अभी तो वही दिन याद है जिस दिन तुम पैदा हुए थे, 18 सितंबर 1970, और अब तुम 50 साल के हो गए। खुदा तुम्हें हमेशा बुलंदियों पे ले जाए, खुश रखे, खूब आगे बढ़ो तुम। Holidays that you take Papa and me for, they give us so much joy. You are always there, and this feeling of yours that Mummy should be protected, you're always there behind me when I'm climbing the steps कि कहीं मम्मी गिर ना जाए।
चंदा है तू, मेरा सूरज है तू।
रोशन तुम्हीं से दुनिया, खुशियाँ भी सब यहाँ की, शोहरत भी पाई तुमसे, खुशियाँ भी सब जहाँ की। सलामत रहो तुम, सलामत रहो, सलामत रहो, सलामत रहो।
I often wonder कि जब बचपन में रोशन से पूछा गया होगा कि बेटा बड़े होकर तुम क्या बनोगे, तो रोशन ने कहा होगा डॉक्टर, इंजीनियर, लॉयर के अलावा सब कुछ। एंड व्हाई नॉट? फॉर अ मैन विद सो मेनी कलर्स द वर्ल्ड ऑटोमेटिकली बिकम्स अ कैनवस। अब और तारीफ नहीं करूंगा वरना लगेगा ये सब स्क्रिप्टेड है।
Happy birthday to the man that taught us that if your back is against the wall, then you don't just give up, you break the goddamn wall, and that there's a solution to everything. Roshan sir, wishing you a very, very, very happy birthday.
Hi Roshan, I hope you're having a great, great day. Happy birthday. Here's wishing you a lovely year ahead, full of like Middle Eastern food, Zoom calls, never-ending meetings, everything that you love. And I know in this time that it's taken me to record this video, I've probably missed 700 emails from you. I'm getting to them, I promise.
Happy birthday, Roshan sir. We love you.
You know, there's a song that goes, anything you can do, I can do better. I think you were born to sing that song, Roshan. I mean, you are the epitome of celebrating a half century. There are definitely more than 50 things that you have done, nurtured and grown, and I am one of them, and I feel super excited about that. Thank you for being my friend. Thank you for being my commune family. Happy, happy, happy birthday.
भाई आप भाई हो, दोस्त हो, गुरु हो, उगवे हो, शिक्षक हो, सहारा हो, और above all of that you are a healer. You heal lives, you heal people, you heal souls, and जहाँ भी आपको दरार दिखती है उसमें थोड़ा सा अपना पॉजिटिविटी, अपना थोड़ा सा जादू डाल देते हो और उसे भर देते हो, and that's why in your own way you heal humanity. So Roshan, get a pen and paper because some of your friends want to ask you some really important questions.
The one question I want to ask Roshan that I've not asked him is about his socks. That why are they up full when he's working out and he's putting those workout videos? Fashion faux pas.
How have you managed to keep your genuineness and sincerity alive in spite of having spent more than half your life in the events and entertainment industry?
How do you do it? No, don't be naughty. What I mean is from being an RJ to an anchor to getting married to Shaheen to having lovely children in Compass, Spoken Fest. You know, on public demand, the nation wants to know, how do you do it?
कहने को देखो 50 साल वाला बर्थडे मन रहा है रोशन भाई का, और जो अभी भी उनमें जो कमसिन पना है वो बिल्कुल 21 साल के लौंडे वाला है। तो मैं इसका राज जानना चाहूँगा। मुझे लगता है सामने सामने मैं उनसे ये गुस्ताखी करके पूछ पाऊंगा, इसलिए ये सवाल है मेरी तरफ से कि कहाँ से आता है ये मासूमियत, ये हौसला।
रोशन, आप पॉलिटिक्स कब ज्वाइन कर रहे हो?
हाँ, वो तो मुझे पता है, 1 साल में पॉसिबली मैक्सिमम।
We all know how much Shaheen loves the moon, and we all also know that how much you love Shaheen. So, would you consider buying a plot for her on the moon?
Do you tolerate us because of Shine on Me or because you genuinely love us? I'm very curious. I've never asked you this question.
How many crores did you make in the last 6 months in lockdown? Sach bata de.
Of all the Bollywood movies and all the characters in the Bollywood movies, which one would you want to be?
How is it that you always have an answer to every question asked to you, and a sensible answer at that?
So the things that I know that you do and do very well are like something like cooking, eating, singing, dancing, reading, writing, creating, directing, talking, listening. Oh my god, it's an endless list. I think I'll just give it a skip. So tell me that one thing that Mr. Roshan Abbas does not do.
तू इतना काम कैसे कर लेता है? वो भी शाहीन को संभालने के बाद। तू लेजेंड है बॉस।
How many girlfriends have you had, or how many women have you been with, Roshan bhai? I hope this doesn't get me or you in trouble, but I guess it's a question I would really like to know.
Now, we didn't have a provision for a return gift, so we reciprocated by asking them a question. If Roshan was a product, what would it be?
If Roshan was a product, he would be a multi-plug.
Like a microphone?
I was going to say the same thing. Roshan got a premium microphone. That is what he is.
What is his tagline?
Microphone and broadcast system all together. I think we'll give him both together. Roshan is both. Premium, while there is Marshall, this is Roshan. The Duracell battery, and his tagline would be, "Don't stop me now, cause I'm having a good time, I'm having a good time."
Sprite. सीधी बात, no bakwas.
I think of you as glue because you're the one who sticks this whole family together.
I think of a security camera because you're always watching us for reasons I can never really understand.
No, Roshan's a strong guy. You know, he holds hard against anything. So for me, Roshan is like Fevicol. Fevicol का मजबूत जोड़ है, टूटेगा नहीं.
I think it would be Dettol because Dettol solves 99.9% of our problems.
When I think of you, I think of a high-end smartphone which keeps getting better every year with a new version and new upgrades.
I think एक ही प्रोडक्ट है जो रोशन भाई के साथ सबसे अच्छा जाएगा, वो हीरा है सदा के लिए.
Which film title would you choose to describe Roshan?
Shakespeare in Love.
हम साथ साथ हैं. Always.
Bacha. Eternal sunshine of a spotless mind.
हम साथ साथ हैं, उन पे परफेक्ट बैठेगा.
Suryavansham, Suryavansham, Suryavansham.
दिल है कि मानता नहीं.
Mr. India, because he can sing in the rain for Shri Devi. He can take care of all those kids. And abhi itni exercise ke baad, I'm sure he can wear that gadget and save India.
The ideal title to your face and the poster under would be Hazaro Khwaishein Aisi.
Because of the various things that you do, it would be Jerry Maguire.
Same principle, multitasking. So for me, Roshan is 2 आंखें 12 हाथ.
टाइगर जिंदा है.
ईद का दिन हो और बिरयानी ना हो, रोशन किसी से मिले और कोई दिलचस्प कहानी ना हो, ऐसा तो कभी होता ही नहीं.
One incident I remember clearly about Roshan was when my dad met him. I had just come from Lucknow to Delhi. I was very, very green. I was 17 years old. I was just into academics, into math and science and English and literature and history. And I was a very studious kind of guy. And, my brother had told my dad that Roshan would be a good guy to meet in Hindu college. And my dad met Roshan. And Roshan being Roshan totally took over my dad. And my dad, after 30 minutes of conversation with Roshan, told me, Mohit, you've got to be with Roshan. Just stay with him through college and you will be fine. this guy is brilliant. He will keep you on the academic track for the rest of your life, and that's what you need.
I also remember him coming to me at an airport when he just met Shaheen and he was gonna get married to her and said अपने diamond का size दिखा. Boss, मेरा diamond तो वही है. 20 सालों में size नहीं बदला, but Shaheen's has got bigger and bigger, which just shows you what a generous heart he has and how appreciative he is of the beautiful things in his life. And I just wish only the best for him. And I know that if somebody can, Roshan can. He's my Roshan.
When my daughter Parina was born, it was a bit of a challenging time because she was diagnosed with Down syndrome at birth, and we had no idea what that was about. So it was very confusing and overwhelming, and we were overwhelmed with love and worry. And Roshan and Shaheen were just like rocks. You know, they would write the most positive emails, WhatsApp messages, and even though we were continents and oceans apart, I'm always so touched with the kind of support they gave me. Getting a little senti now.
We all know he was super talented. So those of you who've known him from his Encompass days might have seen him act and also direct. But fewer of you might know that he's also a brilliant singer. More importantly, he's a fantastic debater as well. And he used to take part in Just a Minute jams and dumb charades as well, and he was brilliant at those as well. Fortunately, he couldn't play any game to save his life. I say fortunately because if he had even that talent, he would have been a little too much to bear and too much to counter, and he would have been too much of a competition for everyone at college, which he actually was.
So now that you have completed your half century, my friend, I just have one word for you. Buzurg. अब आप officially हमारे बुजुर्ग हैं. So keep showering your blessings on us and always remember that we love you.
Roshan dear, you are so cool. With your love and care, our hearts you rule. You're a guiding light that shines so bright. That name you have, it fits you right. And on this day,
as we reach the throne, we pray to God, may you never grow old. Your spirit above, may always stay young. In praises may there be better songs sung. Happy and blessed, may you always say. Wish you 1,000 more happy birthdays. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Roshan uncle. Happy birthday, Roshan. Have a golden one.
Well, Roshan, pardon the lyrical quality of that song, लेकिन जैसे कहते हैं भावनाओं को समझो. So wish you a very, very, very happy birthday and a super 50th.
Dearest Roshan, wishing you a very golden happy birthday with lots of love and duas. You are a wonderful person. We are proud to have you in a family. God bless you.
Wishing you a very, very happy golden 50th birthday. Your golden years have just begun. Your digits have changed. Don't let the digits impact you in any way. Digit change doesn't affect our lives in any way. I've gone through it. So, speaking with experience.
I can't believe you've already turned 50. You've become a pretty old man. I want you to know that I hope you have the best day ever, and I want you to know that even though how much ever I might fight with you and argue with you, I'll always be your little girl and I'll always be there with you.
You're a 50-year-old man now, so now you officially have a pass to make as many bad dad jokes as you want, and we'll keep laughing at them even though deep down we know on the inside that not very funny. Hope you have a great day, hope you have a great time, hope you have a great life. I love you forever. Thanks for giving birth to me, thanks for donating your sperm to me. I hope I can donate mine to give you more children henceforth. Adios, goodbye, have a great day.
Happy birthday, happy 50th birthday. I hope you have a great birthday and an amazing year ahead of you. I wish that this year and the coming years bring you good health, happiness, success, joy and all the good things in life. And I hope to see you soon and have an amazing birthday.
Happy birthday, Roshan bhai. Wish you all the best. Happy 50th. May you have 50 more and I'm there for all 50 of them.
Happy birthday. We love you. Thank you for tolerating us.
us, all of us. I hope you have a lovely year and Allah bless you with all the best in life.
Happy birthday, Roshan Bhaijan. Thank you for everything. God bless you with the best. Love you, love you, love you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे रोशन भाई. सजदों की आवाज़ फिरदौस मिले, ये बात मुझे मंजूर नहीं. बेलौस इबादत करता हूँ, बंदा हूँ तेरा, मजदूर नहीं.
Roshan turns 50. Seriously? Or is it you are 18 and you have 32 years of experience? Or maybe you're celebrating your 25th for the second time. Whatever, it's a milestone. And it's a wonderful milestone for a wonderful person like you.
Wishing you a very happy 50th birthday and welcome to the 50 plus club.
तू 50th थी, तू सेंचुरी मारेगा सेंचुरी. You know why? Because Allah तेरे साथ है.
Happy birthday from all of us, Sana, Sophia and Sultan.
Happy 50th Roshan. Here's wishing you many more. In fact, here's wishing you another half century.
It's such a privilege to have you as part of my life. I'm grateful and very blessed for your energy, for your love and positivity. Thank you. अब आप पता नहीं 35 के होते होते आप 50 के कैसे हो गए, बट दिल तो बच्चा है जी. एंड 50वीं सालगिरह बहुत बहुत मुबारक.
Happy 50th birthday. Oh my god, it's unbelievable because you're so young at heart and you're always doing so many things.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Roshan. Happy birthday to you.
3/4 inch U-matic low band. That's how old our friendship is by. And here we are, making a video for you on a phone. Who would have thought? And this is very awkward and quite silly to make a video for a guy you talk to almost every day, and that too on video conferencing. But I think, this is for later, right? When you become much older and you're forgetting and things are getting hazy, so you can put up this film and, see everybody around you on this amazing 50th COVID birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle Roshan. We miss you so much and we really wish that we could have been there with you guys to celebrate today. We really missed you guys this year, this summer. It didn't feel the same without you, but hopefully we'll get to see you really soon and we'll have to celebrate really soon. So hope you have a really great day. Sending you guys loads of love. Can't wait to see you guys.
Hi Roshan, happy 50th birthday buddy. Hope you have a fantastic day. We're really missing you guys this year.
It's the first, I think, summer after many years you guys have not been to London, and we would have had such a blast had you guys been here. But anyway, I hope you have lots of fun, and Shaheen and Arslan and Arthur really spoil you on your big day.
Hey Roshan, happy 50th. So you finally touched the gold. That's a milestone in itself. And Roshan, I really love you. I admire you for the incredible person that you are.
Happy 50th birthday. I love you so much. I can't even say. You have inspired me through my life and I hope that you continue to do that. Kabir and I and the kids and mom, we all love you. Happy birthday, Roshi.
For your 50th birthday, Roshan, I wish you all the happiness, all the love, all the good health, and all your dreams come true. You are just such a special, remarkably unique, wonderful man that only the best for you. And I hope you know how loved you are. Wishing you very, very happy birthday. Lots and lots of love from all of us here.
Hey Roshan, happy birthday. Big birthday, the big 30 is finally here. Or the big 50, right? Doesn't matter because you seem to be the 30-year-old forever.
Roshan, it's been great pleasure knowing you, being so close, friendly, and we spent a lot of time together over the last 10 years. I wish you all the very best, my friend. Have a great 50th. I wish I could have been there, but we'll meet soon.
Respectful, original, solid,
honest, amazingly talented and natural, and not just that, Roshan. Rapchik, oh my god, sexy, handsome, ageless, and number one Roshan Abbas. A very happy 50th birthday to you. Thank you for being in my life. Have a great one. Never grow old. Keep getting younger every year. The life has just started, Roshan, and we love you.
Very, very happy birthday. Lots and lots of love. It's been years since I know you, and I must say that it's been a pleasure knowing you.
Wish you a very, very, very happy 50th birthday. Half a century, Marliya, dude. Well done. Very well done.
Happy birthday, Roshan bhai. 50. Love you. तू मेरा भाई है और तू legend है.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Roshan. Happy birthday to you. We love you.